Welcome to today's Gallery Teachers Masterclass. And the title of today's Gallery Teachers Masterclass is Working with Emergent Language. My name is Neil Harris, and it emerged about a year or 2 years ago that I've been working with emergent language and maybe not really realizing it for most of my career as an English language teacher. And the chances are, so have you. So what is emergent language? How does it differ from error correction? And why does it matter to you? Well, these important questions are the basis for this Gallery Teachers Masterclass. And to answer the key question, what is emergent language? Let me reveal a little bit about my understanding of the topic. So imagine a situation where you walk into the classroom, the students are chatting and you hear them say something that's really interesting. You didn't plan to teach it, but you decide this is something that I can use to help my students to express themselves even better. And that's what's meant by emergent language. It's where we help the students to upscale their language based on meaning-focused interaction. So when they're talking to one another, communicating, expressing things that they want and they need to talk about, and the strategies that we as teachers have to enable them to do that even better. Do come along to the masterclass. We've got lots to share with you, and I'm sure we want to hear also all about everything that you're already doing with emergent language.